today's vlog is going to be about my village, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour through our farmhouse and the surrounding areas. Hey guys, it's Faisal here from FMI Productions, and today I'm going to take you on a quick tour through my village. So it's been about 4 days since I've arrived in the country, and I'm kind of struggling with the sleep because it's 6 hours behind in the UK, and at night I'm struggling to sleep because of that. But I'm getting used to it now, and I'm also getting used to the weather. And so, this is the first time I'm taking this camera out for vlogging. So this is going to be my very first vlog in Bangladesh. And obviously, to start off with, I want to take the opportunity to show you around the village. First of all, let me just take you through our farmhouse. Okay, this is not the front, this is the back entrance. Okay, this is a hallway. To the left is my bedroom. It's probably messy right now. There you go, this is my bedroom. I still haven't unpacked. I've got a balcony at the back where you can see our village pond there. Some mango trees and jackfruit trees. The view is lovely. Anyway, let's get back. So, a couple of bedrooms on the right, and to the left is our living room or our lounge, hardly used. Okay, it's a stairway to go to the rooftop. I think it's closed, so I won't go there right now. Since we live in a village, the electricity isn't great, it's not reliable, and they always turn off the power to preserve electricity. This process is called load shedding. I really don't know the full process, but yeah, it's called load shedding here in Bangladesh. And what we do is when the electricity fails, we have a generator here. We use that to power up the whole village. Behind me is the entrance to our farmhouse, and that's the gate. Let's go and check it out. So this is it, this is our main entrance, and behind me, if I turn around, there you go. So basically we're living in the middle of all these farms and paddy fields, and that's our village here. So let's go back in the village. I'm just going to show you other parts of our farmhouse. This is our garage where we park our car. It's all secure. I'm going to show you our cow house or moo house. This is cow 1, cow number 2, cow number 3, and this is the mother cow. Hello! Oh, it wants to hit me. My plan is to milk this cow there, but I need to be really careful because last time I came to the country, it kicked me. It almost kicked me in the face. So someone told me that to milk these cows, you need to be caring, you need to show some love, and you need to get to know them first. Otherwise, it will never let a stranger milk them. So I might spend a few hours trying to make friends with this one. I'll see how it goes, and if I'm successful, I might even get the chance to milk her today. come here, come here. Come on, here's some food, come on. I don't think this cow is liking me. It's not having it at all. I was just trying to feed her some hay, but she wasn't having it. I think she wants to headbutt me. This one's really cute. This is a baby cow. Okay, so that's enough of the cow house. Let's go and take you somewhere else. Here's our guest house. Behind me is our guest house, and when there's a lot of visitors or a wedding or something, people get to stay here. There's a lot of bedrooms in it and a few bathrooms and toilets. I'm not going to go in because it's locked right now and we're not using it right now. This is our house where we're staying. I adopted 2 dogs, 2 stray dogs. So back at our farmhouse, and I want to show you some of the fruit trees that we have. We have a jackfruit over there. We have a lot of mango trees here, and this is our largest mango tree there. And you can see it's in the flowering phase. I can't wait to see the mangoes. It probably takes about a month or so. So I've pretty much covered most of our farmhouse. Also, when we have a pond here, just behind me, and you can see here, there's seating area. It's really dirty at the moment. We don't use it, but there's a pond there that you can see, and we have a lot of fish in there as well. So I'll probably end up fishing here one day. Wow, just look at this view behind me. Wow, it's so amazing. This is beautiful. So anyway guys, what do you think of my village? Do drop a comment below, ask me anything about my village, and I'm happy to reply to all of your comments. So I've come to the end of this video now. I mean, although it's not the end of my village video, because what happened was this video got too long, so I had to cut it down into episodes. So anyway, it's the end of the first episode, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell button so you don't miss out on my latest content. I've got more videos coming for you guys. So here you are, just a selfie of me, a 360-degree panoramic selfie of me in my village, and see you all guys soon.